Good day, great people, and welcome back to my channel. If you are new here, hey, I'm Jam like Jelly. I talk all things lifestyle and UGC, and today I am so excited to talk to you about tax season. It can get a little sticky. We're in tax season right now, so it's so timely for us to dive into taxes, owning your own business as a UGC creator. We'll dive into using an LLC or sole proprietorship, looking at what might be beneficial for you, using things like QuickBooks or Zen Business. Should you work with a tax professional? We'll talk a little bit about all those details, the pros and cons of each, and hopefully help you along your UGC and owning your business, what that journey might entail. I'll also talk to you about the pros and cons of getting a business bank account. For you, owning your own business, that's a big step into, okay, I'm really doing this. So we'll talk a little bit about not only what are some of the benefits of that, but then also where do you go to find a legitimate and resourceful business bank account? Now, before I get started, I have to give this disclaimer. I am in no way a legal or a tax professional. You should always consult your tax professional that you work with when you're any questions or anything that you have for your specific business needs. My purpose in creating this video is to share what has worked for me personally as I've been able to build out a successful UGC business in hopes that it might help steer and help guide other creators on the direction that they might choose to go. So my advice for you is to always consult your legal or your tax professional, especially at this time, for any specific questions that you might have that are tailored for you, because it's going to look different. First, let's talk about setting up an LLC or a limited liability company. So an LLC is a business structure that combines the legal protections of a corporation with the tax benefits of a partnership. All right, so it allows for you to have a little bit more legal protections. This is actually a very popular choice for UGC creators or for really any small business owner, because it gives you that legal protection that you might need for your business as well as the owner. It's protecting both together and separately. All right, so you've got your LLC, but how do you actually set this up? So to set up an LLC, you'll need to first choose a business name. What is your name going to be? Then you want to set that name up with your state secretary. So every state has a state secretary. That's what you'll want to go in and officially register your business name under. You'll also need to draft and to file articles of your organization. These specifically outline the purpose of your business. They talk a little bit about the roles and responsibilities of the owner, which is you, and other specific details that are needed to officially establish your business. So first and foremost, you want to make sure that you register your official business name with your state secretary. So again, remember, this is very important that you make sure that your business name and all those articles of your organization are properly filed and documented and have been sent off to your state secretary. That's also something that you'll want to work with your tax professional on, making sure that all those boxes are checked off. All right, so you've filed your business, you've filed your LLC, and you've gotten everything accepted. Bam, you checked that off. You've done it. You've taken that one step closer to establishing your business. Congratulations. Next, let's talk about the benefits of opening up your own business bank account. All right, so your business bank account is going to be separate from your personal bank account, your personal savings account. This is specifically for your business transactions. Let's say you get a new microphone. Let's say you get a new camera set up. You use your office space, whatever it is, those things that can actually be itemized from your tax deductions, those are things that you'll want to use your business bank account for. Not only is a business bank account helpful to help you keep track of some of those business transactions that you have, but it also helps keep everything in one nice specific area for tax purposes. So you know these are the transactions that you've used specifically for your business. It helps you with preparing any financial statements or even reports. This can also really help you establish credibility with various partners, vendors, clients that you might be working with, because they see you are a legitimate business. You've got that business bank account backing there. Now, is a business bank account necessary for UGC creators? No, it's not necessary. Some creators might use it depending on what your background is, what your other streams of businesses are. It might actually be necessary. But if you are solely a UGC creator, you're starting out and you don't know for sure if you need to open up a business bank account, work with your tax professional. They might tell you it might not be necessary at this time. Now, let's talk about QuickBooks and Zen Business. Now, these are very popular accounting tools and resources and apps that can help small business owners like UGC creators keep track and maintain their financial status and the things, their cash flow, things that are coming in, and then things that are coming out. Overall, they help you manage your finances as a small business owner or as a UGC creator. QuickBooks allows you to track your income and your expenses, create invoices and purchase orders, and to help you overall generate financial reports, whatever those might look like for your business. Overall, it can be a huge help for you to kind of automate some of those transactions and things that might be very manual within your business. It keeps it all in one safe, specific place, which is really nice for you. Another thing that is really helpful about QuickBooks is when it is tax time, if you use a tool like TurboTax, it is very seamless. In fact, they are all under that Intuit umbrella, essentially. So you've got Intuit TurboTax, you've got QuickBooks. It allows you to, if you have a hard receipt, you take a picture of that receipt, you upload it to QuickBooks, and it's automatically docked into a specific category, either for your business, personal needs, whatever that might look like. Then once you've documented all that, it flows again seamlessly with TurboTax. So that's a really great benefit of using a tool like QuickBooks. Zen Business is very similar. So Zen Business is another tool. There are tons out there. I specifically use Zen Business and I love it. So I'm going to speak from my personal perspective. But what I love about Zen Business is that I can upload my receipt. It's automatically letting me know these are the things that are obviously categorized under your business bank account. I opened up my business bank account with Zen Business. I opened up my LLC. All of my official tax documents are right in line with Zen Business, and it works very well with TurboTax. They kind of partner with each other. So it's a seamless transaction, again, from opening up my business bank account, which I'm able to use as a tax write-off, opening up my LLC. All of those things are able to easily funnel into one nice stream, and it helps keep me track of my finances in a very automated, seamless way. I will have links in the description for both QuickBooks and for Zen Business. If that's something that you're looking to take the next step in your UGC journey, you're able to easily go in, sign up. It's free for both of them. For you to have that platform or that program. There's certain things that will need to be paid for. For example, purchasing an LLC or sole proprietorship, whichever route you decide to go, those might cost a little bit extra because of the filing and the fees that go along with that, but it's so worth it, number one. And number two, again, it's a tax write-off. Speaking of a tax write-off, I want to finally talk about the importance of working with a tax professional. Should you do it? Should you not? What are our thoughts here? So my recommendation is 100% to work with a tax professional. This could be someone like a CPA, which is a certified public accountant. These individuals not only make sure that you are legally bound, that you are doing everything absolutely correct in terms of the legality of owning your business, but they're also going to make sure that you are set up for success and that you're also getting the biggest bang for your buck. What is your specific financial situation and what might work best for you? Does an LLC work best, or does a sole proprietorship work best for your UGC business at this time? So they'll help you navigate through kind of the complex world of tax situations and ensure that you're complying with all legal regulations and any of those details. They'll also help you determine what tax deductions you might be eligible for, things that you might not even know. For example, this space in my home is where I conduct my personal business. So I can write this space off in my home. There's certain things, like I said, we mentioned earlier, your camera, your equipment, your setup, your trainings, the courses that you might buy, all of those things might be eligible for a tax write-off. And working with a CPA or another tax professional will be able to help you steer you in the direction and get really the most bang for your buck back during tax season. So overall, setting up an LLC or a sole proprietorship within UGC, opening up your own business bank account, using tools like QuickBooks or Zen Business to manage your finances, manage the cash flow that's coming in and coming out, tax purposes. All those details are so important and things that I don't want for you to miss on your UGC journey, because I don't want you, number one, to get into any legal issues, but then also I want to make sure that you are getting the most return on your investment here. That's what our goal is. We want to make some money. So how do we do that? We make sure that we are legally protected along every step of the way, and that includes your taxes. So thank you so much for joining me today. If this information was helpful for you, please feel free to subscribe, hit that button, comment down below. Let me know what other resources and tools that you're looking for. What guidance are you needing along your UGC business and the growth and development of this business? Feel free to reach out to me. But until next time, hope y'all have a good day.